Introduce a riff on a plucked string instrument,
Probably a sample.
with some interesting flourishes.
Let it repeat, let it repeat, let it repeat, let it repeat throughout the song, throughout the song.
In comes the bass on the first beat, emphasizing the chord progression. Sub-bass, yeah, it's quite deep. Moving around, maybe some syncopation. Trap drum beat, kick follows the bass. Snare on 2 and 4 offbeat occasionally. Hi-hat 16s constantly to move the song along. And add some rolls and triplets. Rap vocals have lots of variation. Try to repeat the rhythmic idea several times. Rap on beat, or you can rap in triplets. When you are rapping with triplets, it feels like that tempo is moving much quicker.
But it's not, it's the same, the rhythms are just shorter.
Everything comes in the chorus. Use a hook to bring you in the chorus. Repeat everything in the chorus. Maybe a few stops in the chorus.
Feature vocal.
Back to the start, thin the texture out, but bring your instruments in quicker this time for this verse. Because we've already established them, so we can play around with taking them out and in. And experiment with high-pass filters and lots of auto-tune. Everything comes in the chorus. Use a hook to bring you in the chorus. Repeat everything in the chorus. Maybe a few stops in the chorus.
Outro. Yeah, it's just like the intro. What? Just bass and the riff. Where's the bridge? Don't usually have one. Is that the end then? Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. And for more music education videos, please check out my channel, Mr. D. Morley Music Education.